Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yadwinder. So in this video I wanted to create something colorful and magical to complement the festival called Holi, which is coming up next. So I came up with a rainbow color wing eyeliner, and this look is so done and so great, which complements the festival theme of Holi of colors. And in order to create that look, I'm first using a white eyeliner and creating a wing using the same, because for any colors to pop up we have to use a white canvas below, because it gives more pigmentation to the eyeshadows that we are going to use afterwards in any eye look. So I'm going to simply fill that gap, and this is the perfect wing eyeliner, and I've taught you in one of my videos. In case you don't know, the link of that video is in description. So I'm using some yellow eyeshadow and simply placing that in the starting of my eye using small flat shader brush. Complementing the same, I'm using some of that orange in the middle of the eye and simply blending the edges with the yellow. After finishing, I'm going to use some of the red eyeshadow, and you can see how beautifully it is getting merged, and I'm going to simply blend the corners of this eyeshadow as well with the orange, and going through with the process of this video. Afterwards, I'm going to use that beautiful pink shade in the outer part of my eye, and you can see that how pigmented these colors look simply because we have used white as a base underneath, and I'm going to build the intensity of the colors. I do not prefer to take too much at a time because that is not going to help us in blending. After that, I am going to use that green color, and you can see that green is giving it all, and it looks so damn good in person and on camera as well. And going to blend that properly with the same small fat shader brush, because eye looks completely change the game of your makeup. So yeah, and I'm going to blend the edges of this as well. And this look is so beautiful, you can carry it on any holy occasion, and this is going to complement the colorful theme of this festival. And after that, I am going to use purple eyeshadow in order to finish that wing properly and in order to make it even more crisp. So using that purple, and this is the completed rainbow wing eyeliner look, and you can see how beautifully it has turned out. In order to finish up, I'm using some of that glitter eyeshadow so that it can even more pop up the colors and complement the theme. So yes, after applying falsies and kajal, this is the finished look. Do let me know what do you guys think. If you enjoyed and liked this, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video. Bye guys.